a 2-minute review of our Nespresso Creatista coffee maker. It's very well made, lovely to look at, all brushed stainless steel. We've had it 4 months now and used a total of 400 pods. That's between 3 and 4 coffees per day between the two of us. Today I'm making a flat white. It's really creamy milk with a nice bit of froth on top. Just perfect.